Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'd like to introduce a project I've been working on for over 2 years now. Ever since I first experienced VR, I've always wanted to build this game. An open world sandbox set in a medieval world where players have complete freedom to live out their own stories. From hunting and farming to building, crafting, exploring and trading, the game aims to be a comprehensive medieval life simulator.
Hello, friend. Didst thou manage to secure the cloth for my gear, as we spoke of earlier? Ah, thou art truly gracious. My heartfelt thanks for thy assistance in mending my gear.
It is an ambitious project, no doubt, especially as a solo developer, but with over 10 years of experience working with Unity, I'm determined to see it through and hopefully release the game one day. Being a solo developer has its challenges. I've faced burnout several times, sometimes taking months off, and I often question if the scope is too large. There were moments when I thought about scaling down or pursuing a smaller project, but I always came back to this game because it's the game I want to play, and since it doesn't exist yet, I'm committed to building it myself. I've decided to start this series of devlogs to document my progress and hold myself accountable. My hope is to also build a small community around the game, with people who can provide feedback, help shape its direction and keep me motivated along the way. Over the course of this project, I've learned a lot about VR development, which has made me realize that it might be a good time for a fresh start. While I'll be reusing some of the assets and code, many features will be rebuilt from scratch. Originally, I've developed the game using Unity's built-in render pipeline, as URP was still experimental at the time, but now URP is the recommended pipeline for VR development, especially for Meta Quest, which is my target platform. This shift gives me another good reason to restart the project with a cleaner foundation. I know restarting a project after 2 years is a big decision, but I believe it will lead to a better final product. Plus, I think you'll enjoy following along as I rebuild the game from ground up with a more streamlined approach. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you'll stick around for the journey ahead.